What a bad smell. Mila, there's so much dirt around your house and you're lying there.
I'm not having any trouble, Mom.
The smell makes me nauseous. You've grown up so much but you still don't understand cleanliness.
I'm not that old, I'm only 15 years old.
You have to learn everything from this age. You've turned the room into a cowshed.
It's good to turn the room into a cowshed and let the cows run around.
Stop joking and get up quickly. You have to clean the mess out of this room.
No, I can't do it.
I don't want to hear anything. I want the house to be clean in 20 minutes. If I come back and find you haven't cleaned it, you will be severely punished.
It's getting too late. Lena, come quickly or you will be late. I am coming, Henry.
Come on, I'm ready.
I have been waiting for half an hour.
It will take some time to prepare.
You're always late before going anywhere.
You're standing here chattering, it's not too late now.
Okay, I'll never say it again. Come on.
I can't clean up this mess. If my mother comes back and sees the state of the house, I will be very sad. I have to find a way so that I don't have to clean up the mess and get beaten by my mother. But what a way. Let me think. Idea. I found a way. I'll hide these dirty things under the bed. Start the work before Mom arrives. After a while, I feel very hot. Go and sit under the fan for a while. After 30 minutes,
Henry, take the groceries to the kitchen. I'll be back in a bit.
Okay, come quickly. I can't do it alone.
Mila, did you clean the room?
look, the room has been cleaned and made sparkling clean.
But there's a rotten smell coming from somewhere. Can't you smell it, Mila?
No, Mom, I don't smell anything. I think you have a problem with your nose. Go see a doctor.
What nonsense are you talking about? I don't have any problem with my nose. What are those things under the bed?
I think Mom is going to catch me now.
The smell is coming from there, let's see.
No, Mom.
Yuck. Disgusting. Mila, how dare you lie to me?
No, Mom, actually, I am.
I don't want to hear any more excuses. You should be punished for this.
I will never make such a mistake again. Please give me one last chance, Mom.
No, you won't be given another chance. You are becoming lazier day by day.
I will never be lazy, Mom, I promise.
Okay, but you'll have to be punished for your work today.
What punishment will you give me?
You have to clean the toilet today.
No, I can't accept this punishment.
If you overdo it, you will be punished even more severely.
Dad, save me from this punishment. Leo, please help me.
Your father, Leo, no one will come to help you today. Even God cannot come and save you from my punishment today.
Oh yuck, what a bad smell. I feel nauseous. At first, I put a mask on my face. Now it's perfect. It was much better to clean those messes than to clean the toilet. If I had known then that I would have to clean the toilet, I would never have done it. Dear friends, let me know in the comments who else has had to receive such punishment like me. Let me know in the comments who has had to clean the toilet like me. Those who have not yet received such punishment should learn from my incident. Otherwise, you too will have to clean the toilet like me. I have completed toilet cleaning. After 5 minutes.
Mila, are you finished cleaning the toilet?
Yes, Mom, the toilet is sparkling clean.
You're not lying again like before, are you?
No, Mom, you can go and check it yourself.
Okay, I'll go check it myself. Oh my God, what did Mila do? He came to clean the toilet and caused a toilet jam. If we don't do something right away, the whole house will be flooded with water. Mila, come here quickly. You have a lot of sadness on your face today.
What happened, Mom?
After doing such a big thing, now you're asking me what happened. Look at it with your own eyes, you have committed such a great wrong.
I didn't do any of this on purpose, Mom.
So did I do this? Answer me, Mila. What's inside the toilet dropped you?
Mask dropped inside while cleaning toilet.
Today I will kill you and no one can save you.